Hello kids, how are you? Today we're going to revise actions on present continuous. Now let's have a look at the pictures. What is he doing? He is reading. He's reading a book. Now pay attention to the part in red. Presten atención que todas las oraciones terminan con esa ing, ¿ok? What is he doing? He is jumping. He is drinking. They are singing. He is sleeping. He is climbing. He's climbing a tree. He is eating. He is swimming. He is running. She is cleaning. He's riding a bike or he's cycling. He is painting. He's drawing. They are dancing. He is cooking. He's watching TV. He is flying. He is walking. She is listening to music. Ahora, les quiero contar que este PowerPoint ustedes lo pueden imprimir. De esa manera le pueden quedar como tarjetitas y ustedes pueden jugar, pueden tapar la frase, a ver si recuerdan cómo referirse a cada una de estas expresiones, y también por eso todas las imágenes están en blanco y negro para que ustedes la puedan colorear también. ¿Ok?